with respect to hang, the past tense and past participle of hang. The criminal was dashed after his shirt was dashed on a tree. The criminal was dashed after his shirt was dashed on a tree. Would it be hanged, hung, hanged, hung, hanged? Now the principle behind the use of hang is this. Whenever it has to do with human, the past tense of hang and past participle of hang will be hanged with ed. Whereas whenever it has to do with non-human, non-living thing, the past tense of hang and past participle of hang will be hung. So in this case, the criminal is human, while his shirt is not human. Therefore, we will pick hanged here and hung here. Hence, the criminal was hanged after his shirt was hung on a tree, which gives us option C. Let's look at this. Another example. Christ was hanged on the cross. It's human. Christ was hanged on the cross. Now let's look at another example with non-human. A dress has been hung on a line outside. A dress has been hung on a line outside. I hope you learned something new today. Please like our videos, share our videos, follow us on our social media handle on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you.